guys, Dickeydol everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make egg curry recipe, which is very simple and easy to prepare. So let's get started how to make. Now I'm gonna boil the tomato and egg. Now add a little bit salt. And when you add the egg, so you have to remember you have to set up the time. So I'm gonna boil the half boil, so I'm gonna boil 5 minutes. And on time you have to prepare the chilled water also. So once you cook the egg, you have to put directly on chilled water. Now I'm gonna prepare the all ingredients. So if you want to know proper ingredient list, you can check out my description box. Okay, next we're gonna fry the egg. Now remove the extra water and we're gonna fry this until not brown color both of side. Both of side brown color. Now take out the all egg and set aside. Now we're going to make the tomato sauce. For this, add the garlic and fry until not brown color. And once the garlic become brown color, this time you need to add the onion, and onion also fry until not brown color. The once in brown color, now this time you need to add the tomato, the seasoning. So here I'm using 1 teaspoon my homemade chili sauce. So if you don't know how to make this chili sauce, I will link in description box. So this is optional by the way. If you don't like chili, you can definitely skip this. And once I add the all ingredient, we have to mix very properly and just fry for 30 seconds the all sauce. Now add the egg and just fry for a few minutes again. Now if you want to serve dry, so it's done. Now I like to serve with rice, so I want more gravy, so I'm gonna add 1.5 cup water and just boil for 30 seconds more. Now our egg curry is ready to enjoy. So finally I'm gonna just add spring onion and just mix it well, and it's ready to serve. Okay, let me show you my egg is cooked or not. Can you see my egg is still, it's half boiled, not cooked properly. So that is I want. This is perfect way I want to serve like this. So this is my final result guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy my egg curry recipe. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and how it is, don't forget to leave comment below and bring to more recipe. Please support me, share with your friends and family, and all them enjoy my homemade recipe. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you on next video. Bye bye. Take care everyone.